If you're a man who keeps relapsing on porn, even though you promised yourself hundreds of times you'd quit, I want you to listen carefully because what I'm about to walk you through in today's episode is not motivation. It's not another try harder speech. It's a step-by-step blueprint, the exact 12-week system I've used with over 1,800 men to help them break free from porn, rebuild their identity, and take back control of their life. If you actually understand what I'm about to show you, you'll realize why you've been stuck and exactly what needs to change. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, host and founder here. It's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, rebuild their identity, reclaim back their life, and step into a life of freedom. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to turn those post notifications on. But let's start here, because if you don't understand this, nothing else I say will matter. Most men fail to quit porn for one simple reason. They're trying to fix it at the wrong level. They think that this is the behavior problem. So they try to stop watching porn, use more discipline, block websites, start over every Monday. And then what happens? They relapse again and again and again. Why, you ask? Because porn is not their real problem. Their identity is. You don't rise above addiction by managing behavior. You rise above it by becoming a man who no longer needs it. And that requires a system. Over the last 6 years, working with over 1,800 men, I've built what I believe is the most effective system for breaking free from porn addiction. It's built on 4 foundational pillars: identity, brotherhood, discipline, and faith. This is not a quick fix. This is a full rebuild of the man. And what I'm about to walk you through is exactly how to rebuild works over 12 weeks. So let's get into this, a week-by-week breakdown of the rebuilt man system. Week 1 starts with identity and truth. This is where most men get uncomfortable, because this is where the lies end. You define your why, not surface level, but deep. Why do you actually want to quit? What is this costing you? And then you face the truth. How is porn affecting your life? Your energy, your focus, your confidence, your relationships. Most men avoid this part, and that's why they stay stuck. Then you move into week 2. It's an environmental reset. You cannot heal in the same environment that made you sick. Week 2 is about elimination. It's about cutting out toxic inputs, negative influences, and triggers. We also introduce in week 2 a 48-hour fast. This resets your body, but more importantly, resets your mind. You realize you're more in control than you think. As we move into week 3, we focus on discipline and self-trust. This is where things start to shift. You begin building daily habits, structure, and consistency. You create a personal contract with yourself, because every time you break your word, you reinforce weakness. And every time you keep your word, you build better, stronger identity. We wrap up month 1 in week 4 with the rebuilding of your foundation. Now we install structure, a powerful morning routine, daily standards, non-negotiables. This is where men start to feel real momentum, not because urges disappear, but because they finally feel like they have control. We start off month 2 in week 5 with a perspective shift. This is where we attack the deeper wiring. Porn trains you to objectify, to disconnect, to escape. So we reverse it. You perform random acts of kindness. You begin to rewire how you see women. And we lock in what we call the Daily 5. The Daily 5 is our core system. This runs through the entire program. You start your day with a win. You read daily. You take a phone-free walk. You practice gratitude. And you spend your evening in some reflection time. This is how you rewire your brain on a daily basis. We move on to week 6 here with brotherhood and relationships. You stop doing this alone, because isolation is where addiction thrives. You evaluate your circle. You build accountability. You strengthen relationships. If you're single, you learn how to connect without lust. If you're married, you rebuild intimacy. By week 7, we move on to service and healing. Now we begin to go deeper. You begin making amends, repairing what's been broken, rebuilding trust. Because real confidence comes from living in alignment, not from hiding. By week 8, we're focused on gratitude and growth. This is where identity begins to stabilize. You write a gratitude letter, you reflect, you begin to see how far you've come. And for the first time, you don't feel stuck anymore. Week 9, we move into discipline through discomfort. Now we train the mind. Daily cold showers, new skills, mental and physical discomfort. Why, you ask? Because you're teaching your brain, I can do hard things. And that carries into everything. Week 10 is a focus in on extreme ownership. No more excuses. No blaming, no victim mindset. You take full responsibility for your life, your habits, your results, more importantly, your future. Week 11 is a focus on breaking patterns. We disrupt your routines, new routes, new behaviors, new inputs. This strengthens adaptability and this breaks unconscious triggers. And we wrap the 12 weeks up with the building of the new man. This is where everything locks in. You build your next 90-day vision. You step into leadership. You begin mentoring others, because the fastest way to solidify your transformation is by helping someone else. Now, you may be asking, what happens when you follow this? If you actually follow this system, your life changes. And it's not because you quit porn, it's because you rebuild everything. Your confidence goes up, your discipline sharpens, your relationships improve, your mind clears, your faith strengthens, and you become a different man. Now, I want to wrap this up and close here today with a call to action for you. If you've been stuck in the cycle and nothing has worked, it's not because you're weak, brother. It's because you've never had a real system. Now, this Reboot Your Life system we've packaged and put into what we call the Porn-Free Man. It's an entire 12-week framework condensed into one place. A book easily digestible, ready to take action on. And right now you can get it for just $7. If you visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free or click the link down there in the show notes below, you get access to the entire 12-week framework with over $800 of bonuses included today. But brother, I want to remind you, you don't need more motivation. You need a blueprint. And now you have one. Visit therebuiltman.com/porn-free or click the link down there in the show notes below to get your copy today.